Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C30. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, PIN, password, and in the end pattern. When it's done, we can go to face unlock, and we simply have to scan our face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.